So this video is to show you how to download Microsoft SQL Server 2019 Developer, which I can't believe is free. It's outrageous that this is free, but that's good for you and me. So follow the link below. I have it pulled up in Word. It's the same link. You can Google Microsoft.com SQL Server 2019, it comes up too. So you scroll down, download free specialized edition, and you click download now. Let that run. You need administrative access. Click basic, read that, and then click accept. And it's going to save under program files. So keep that in mind. Now this is going to take a little while to load. It is kind of a large program. I think you need about 1.5 gigs for this whole thing to run. So I'm just going to pause here and come back when it's done downloading so we can get to the next step. Okay, so this is finished downloading, and all I did was click here, and now I'm going to double click what I downloaded, which should be the application. See, now it comes up again, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So this is good. This is what we want. And notice that this is different. It's being saved in Program Files 86, whereas the other parts of the program were just program files. So if you look for the app, you got to go to Program Files 86. So we're gonna let this download. I don't think it takes quite as long as the previous part, but it does take a while. So I'm going to go ahead and pause here and come back once it's finished. And all you have to do is let it download. So I will be back.